Hello everyone. Today my topic is going to be about HTML, the structure of HTML and the tags and character entities used. To begin with about the structure of HTML, what we mean by the structure of HTML is the way and the method of writing the HTML document, which means what follows what. So like in C programming we have to firstly declare the libraries whose function we are using in our document. Like that we firstly need to declare the DTD used in our HTML. What DTD stands for is document type definition. What it means is it defines the HTML version we are using in our document. Now, HTML has evolved so much since it was created or formulated, and the current version of HTML that's used, or the latest version, I may say, is XML or HTML5. Now, what what Doctype declaration is, whenever we start our HTML program or HTML, script, what we do is we firstly write Doctype followed by the version of HTML we are using. Fine. Now what this Doctype means is that it specifies the DTD used. Actually what it means is like HTML has predefined tags or text within it, but there is a language in which HTML has been written, and that is termed as SGML, which stands for Standard Generalized Markup Language. And DTD specifies what SGML we have used. To make you understand it in a better way, like we had in C programming, what we used to do, there would have been a function like clear screen, or there is something called as, we call it as getch. So clear screen or getch is predefined in some a particular library. Fine, whether Studio or Conio, that include has stdio.h. Fine, that was every function has been defined in SGML, kind of in reference to what I'm making you understand. In DTD, what it does, like we used to write hash include stdio.h. It would have been DTD of HTML. Now, as I told you that SGML is a meta language. Fine. And in this language, HTML has been written. So we firstly have to define that according to what standards our document has been defined. So this Doctype declaration defines it. Fine. After Doctype declaration, what we have to write is we have to write that HTML tag that would mark a start to our HTML document or HTML script. Then we have HTML This is termed as starting tag of HTML, and here we will mark an end of our HTML tag. Tags in HTML may be paired or singular, which I'm going to tell you later. But remember, HTML has a starting as well as an ending tag. It's recommended to write it like this. Then after HTML tags, in sites we have a head tag and a body tag. These are in pairs too. Head tags include title of our document page, like we name some of our document as index, or we name it as something else like home, about. The title that will be displayed on the title bar is specified in this title tag. Within this, and here we mark the ending of our title tag. Then for body, we have many of the divisions in which we can define paragraphs, or we may define something else, like we can define divisions like this. These are pair tags also, or we may define this stands for paragraph, this stands for a formatting tag, and this stands for italic. The text within these two tags, within this tag, will be displayed in italic form. This stands for making our text bold. So actually this is the structure of writing an HTML document. Thank you.